For sale, 2022 Ford E-350 Cutaway, 16-foot, box truck, low miles, walk-up ramp driver, assist package. Offered for sale is a 2022 Ford E-350 Cutaway 16-foot box truck equipped with a Morgan Cube body, a dependable and low-mile delivery vehicle designed for commercial logistics, service operations, and last-mile distribution. This Class 3 medium-duty truck is powered by a Ford 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine producing 350 horsepower and paired with a Ford 6R1406-speed automatic transmission and a 4x2 drivetrain. The naturally aspirated 8-cylinder engine operates on gasoline. The truck rides on Ford spring suspension with hydraulic brakes and utilizes a single rear axle configuration. It carries a 12,500-pound GVWR supported by a 4,020-pound front axle rating and an 8,500-pound rear axle rating, along with a 176-inch wheelbase. The cargo body is a 16-foot Morgan dry box measuring approximately 96 inches in width and 78 inches in interior height. The cargo area features a wood floor, Hemlite interior lining, and a translucent roof panel for improved lighting. The truck is equipped with a roll-up rear door and a walk-up ramp, allowing efficient loading without a liftgate. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Additional features include rear-view camera and driver assist technology package. Notes indicate a clean Carfax, one-owner history, and available service records.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.